Hey everyone, Rich here from Earthwise Packaging, and today we're looking at our USA-made 19 dram child-resistant pop-top bottles from CoolJarz. They're most widely used for edibles, but can also be used for concentrates and flour holding 2.0 ounces. They're sleek, measuring in at 1.95 inches wide and 2.8 inches tall. They're made from BPA-free polypropylene and are child-resistant and ASTM D3475 certified. They have an internal capacity of 3.66 cubic inches. They're available in black, white, green, and purple, but if you have your eye on a specific color, custom colors are available with a minimum order quantity. We offer these pop-top containers in 5 different sizes, including 11 dram, 13 dram, 19 dram, 30 dram, and our gigantic 60 dram. These containers can accommodate from 1 gram to 14 grams on the 60 dram container. CoolJarz also offers tamper-evident clear shrink bands specifically for this size, giving you a compliant retail or wholesale product. All of our products are made from eco-friendly materials that use 50% less polypropylene and are FDA certified and food safe with BPA-free materials. All of our products are available down to single box quantities up to 1 pallet or even 1 truckload. We have various pricing tiers that give great discounts if you buy in bulk, but still budget friendly for those smaller homegrown operations. Since we are the manufacturer and make them 100% in the US, you'll never have to wait for that slow boat crossing the ocean again. We also have available clear tamper-evident shrink sleeves, as well as custom branded shrink sleeves to set your brand apart. You can even automate your company with our first-to-market SST shrink labeling system, turning your business from garage-born into commercial-ready. For more information, we have handy links in our video description straight to our all-new website. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Till next time, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.